Hi all, this is Priyadharshini working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to dwell into the topic quickshot by the activity by the students. So let's see what is quickshot algorithm first. Sorting algorithm is a way of arranging the elements in a systematic manner. Quickshot algorithm is widely used sorting algorithm that makes n log n comparisons in average case for sorting n array of elements. So it is a very faster and highly efficient sorting algorithm compared to the other ones. This algorithm follows the strategy the divide and conquer. So divide and conquer is nothing but it is a technique of breaking down the problem into the larger instance of the problem into the smaller sub-problems, then solving those sub-problems and combining the results back together to solve the original problem. So this is the divide and conquer strategy. So quickshot algorithm uses this approach. So let's see how the divide and conquer strategy is applied in the quickshot algorithm. So first it has to find the pivotal element. So in divide step, it first picks a pivot element. After that, partition or rearrange the array into subarrays such that each element in the left subarray should be smaller than the pivot element and each element in the right subarray or the right half should be greater than the pivot element. Then the next step is conquer. So conquering is nothing but it recursively sort those two subarrays, left subarray and right subarray with quickshot algorithm. The last and final method is the combine. So in combine method, it combines the output of all the subarrays in an already sorted subarrays and then it will form a solution to the given problem. So quickshot, how does the quickshot algorithm works? So quickshot algorithm picks up an element which is pivot. It partitions the given array around the picked pivoted element. In quickshot algorithm, a large array is divided into two arrays in which one holds the value which is smaller than the specified pivot, the picked pivot element, and another array holds the value that are greater than the pivot. After that, left and right subarray are also partitioned using the same divide and conquer approach. It will continue until the single element remains in the subarray. So how to choose a pivot element? So picking up a pivot element is very important in solving a quickshot algorithm. There are three ways in picking up the pivot element. So the first one, the pivot element can be a random one. That is, it can select the random element from the given array. The second approach is to find the pivot can either be the rightmost element or the leftmost element of the given array. Third and the last approach would be selecting median as the pivot element. So let's see how this quickshot algorithm works.
Hello everyone, myself Dakshini and my team members are Gopika Shri, Achaya, Jayapriya, Divya and Lokeshwari. Today we are going to explain about the quicksort. Quicksort is a sorting algorithm based on the divide and conquer algorithm that picks an element as a pivot and partitions the given array around the picked pivot by picking the pivot in its concurrent position in the second array. The key process in quicksort is a partition. The target of partition is to place the pivot. Any element can be chosen as a pivot at its correct position in the sorted array and put all the smaller elements to the left of the pivot and all the elements to the right of the greater elements to the right of the pivot. Now let's consider an example through an activity.
In this example, on 24 is the pivot element.
And 27, I am comparing the pivot value 24. 27 is greater than the pivot value 9.1.
And 19, compare with pivot element 24. 19 is less than 24, so stop it. And 8 and compare with 24. I am less than 24, so I can't stop. And 28. compared with the pivot value 90 and less than 90, so I can't swap.
This is again the sorted array. We are going to perform quicksort again. I am 14, I am the pivot element.
I am 8 and compared with 14 and lesser than 14, so I swap. This is the right summary of the quicksort, then sorted array. I am the 29 of the pivot element.
I am 27. I am comparing with the pivot element 29. 27 is lesser than 29. So swap.